Hi guys, welcome to episode 9 of my project mini build. I will do my best to keep the ers and ums to a minimum. I do struggle, as it's quite obvious on the videos. So today I will be continuing with the boot floor. Going to paint, try and get it painted, put the subframe hopefully in. I just need to check I've got some right bolts. Mock up the exhaust as best I can. I haven't got the brackets yet, but I should be able to get it in position. Work out whether I need an exhaust cut out or not, or whether I'm just making work myself. And finish cleaning up the rest of the floor, hopefully. I'm hoping mini spares order is going to be here in the next couple of days, so that will give me a lot more to do. I guess I'll crack straight on with it. Not going to do too much filming today because a lot of it's just going to be fairly boring cleaning up stuff, but I will try and keep it as interesting as I can for you guys. So please like, comment and subscribe, and I will get straight into it. So after filming yesterday's episode, I managed to get a little bit more done, which is quite nice. Finished doing a bit more clean up and painted it all in primer. So it's just a quick glimpse of what I managed to get done. Still bits to finish off, which is what I'm going to carry on with today. It's shown up the boot floor. It's got a few dents in it. There was a weird hole in part of the floor as if it had been pierced by something. Not quite sure what that was, but I've welded that up anyway, and there was no rust or anything, so it was just a clean pierce through the floor, which was a bit peculiar. But overall it's proven to be in very good condition, so I'm pretty happy with that. that's it for this episode. Bit of an unusual one today. A little bit for sort of doing lots of little jobs. Quite glad I managed to dummy up the exhaust, even though I couldn't get it in its correct place. But I know that there's literally nothing to come off the rear valance to give me clearance. So that's nice. Unfortunately, the angle grinder's playing up again. I did manage to order some brushes for it yesterday, but they're going to be a couple of days, so that's going to hold me up a little bit. But I have got plenty of other stuff to be doing. What I might end up doing tomorrow, possibly trying to get the engine out and get that running, or at least get some of the checks done, ready for when the exhaust manifold turns up. Then then I can do that. It'd be nice to get the subframe painted tomorrow as well. It's pretty much ready to go now. A couple more bits just to clean up and then a final wipe over. Not going to be pristine. I'm just trying to get rid of the surface rust and make it black. It's in fairly good condition already, so I'm not taking all of the original powder coating off. So it's just to tidy up really, to make it look a little bit smarter. So yeah, if you could like if you liked it, or dislike, comment and subscribe. Any comments on anything that I'm doing, any hints or tips on editing would be great. Got into a bit of a rhythm now of doing it, but it still takes quite a long time to do. And there's not that many cuts and stuff to do anyway. So when I start getting into slightly more complex videos and that, it's going to take me ages to do it. So I'm using a program called Lightbox. It's just a free program, but it seems fairly capable. It's very, very good. So any hints, tips, anything like that would be is all appreciated. And I will see you tomorrow.